What is up, guys? It's Easy here and welcome to my channel. So we have the Nokia 2.3 and the Infinix Hot 8, two budget but similarly priced devices. We're going to compare these two devices to help you decide which will give you better value for money. I've done individual reviews for these devices. I'll add links in the description should you want to check them out. So one of the most notable features that set these devices apart is the fingerprint sensor, which is missing from the Nokia 2.3. The Infinix Hot 8, however, has it placed on the back of the phone. Both devices have an IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720p. Media consumption experience is similar on both devices, not being able to stream media past 720p on YouTube. The Nokia 2.3 is noticeably smaller at 6.2 inches, while the Infinix Hot 8 is a 6.52 inch device. For personal preference, I prefer the size and design of the Nokia, as it is more convenient for one-handed operation. Here's the summary of the specifications of both devices. For advantages, the Infinix Hot 8 has a fingerprint sensor, a bigger screen and 5000 mAh battery as against the 4000 mAh battery on the Nokia 2.3. The Nokia 2.3, however, is an Android One phone. It runs on stock Android and an Android 10 update is not far away. Both devices have a 13 megapixel main camera on the rear. The Infinix has a triple camera setup, but the third QVGA camera really doesn't make much of a difference. You can be the judge from the photos from both devices. From these pictures you can tell that the Nokia 2.3 seems to have more natural colors, while the Infinix Hot 8 has an issue with overblown highlights. And now for a speed test. The Nokia 2.3 launched most apps faster, much credit to stock Android. It also has better RAM management. But during my time with both of these devices, I experienced more lags overall on the Nokia 2.3. You can check out my full review, which I'll leave a link in the description below. Whichever you choose from these devices, you're sure to get great value for your money. Let me know which of them is your preferred choice in the comment section. So that's it, guys. Be sure to leave a comment, like and share. Till the next one. Peace.